Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'm going to do a simple makeup perfect for summer. And of course, meron siyang halong may pagka-drunken blush and faux freckles. Pero I tried my best. So anyway guys, para mag-umpisa na tayo sa makeup look na to, let's see, tignan natin sa next video.
So before anything else guys, make sure to keep your hands sanitized. So for me, nag-alcohol na lang ako since malinis naman yung kamay ko at naghugas na rin ako kamay. So for my primer, I'm gonna use the LA Girl Pro Prep. By this primer guys, mabablur niya yung mga imperfections ko at magmumukhang talagang smooth yung ating face. For our foundation, I'm going to use the Sun Glow Tinted Sunscreen in the shade Fair. So, ilalapat ko muna yung foundation sa aking face. Actually, hindi siya foundation, yung sunscreen sa face ko. At saka ko siya i-blend using a brush and a beauty blender. I'm going to use the same cover tip concealer para i-blur yung iba kong pimples na visible since I am having a lot of breakouts lately due to the things that I ate recently. Alam mo naman, quarantine, food, yummy. For my under eye concealer guys, I'm going to use the Peri Pera concealer. Napakaganda na itong concealer nito guys kasi ang ganda ng coverage niya as well as napaka-lightweight niya. And kung gusto niyo bumili ng ganitong concealer and medyo namamahalan kayo, you can opt to buy na lang yung BLK concealer. Pares lang din sila ng use. Sorry dun sa sound. For the blush naman guys, I'm going to use the Sunny's Face Air Blush na peachy kinda to make our blush more drunken. Yung parang drunken blush, yun ang gagayahin natin. Mas effective to. It's either medyo sobrang peachy yung gamitin yung shade or yung katulad ng shade ng ganito. To make it more really sunburnt look. For the faux freckles naman guys, ito yung ginaya ko sa TikTok. Ayan. It is from Sophie, yung vlogger din. From the US pa yun. Ayan. Napaka-follower niya ko and fan. Yung original na video niyan is ginaya niya din. So, sa kanyang video na lang kinuha ko. Kasi hindi ko na mahanap yung original video nung gumawa nung hacks. Pero, ayan. After nyo i-splurge dun sa face nyo yung freckles or yung contour na ginamit nyo, pwede nyo ayusin or i-blend na lang using a beauty blender. And then, I will be using the Face Shop Oil Clear Powder or any powder na meron kayo guys para maset na natin yung face natin. And, ito ang pinakamahalaga guys, wag nyo i-brush or para hindi siya ma-move yung freckles, i-press nyo lang, lightly press on your skin na lang, on your face. Dahan-dahan lang kasi para ma-move yung freckles. So for my brows, I'm going to use the Face Shop Brow Master palette and the Everbelena Brow Pen. Ayan, para more on natural look. Since hindi pa ako nakakapunta sa aking waxing appointment at kita mo naman, quarantine. So, let's improvise guys. talagang gagawin ko na lang medyo natural and bushy yung brows ko. So, same procedure lang naman din on the other side of the brows. Ayan, i-feel ko lang yung may mga sparse areas at papantayin ko lang yung brow ko na mukha talaga siyang natural. Eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Everbelena Iconic Eyeshadow and KB Mattes Eyeshadow. Tatlong eyeshadow ang gagamitin natin, guys. Pero kung anong meron kayo na katulad ng shade, yun lang din gamitin nyo. And I'm going to use the lightest color or shade dun sa EB Mattes para yun ang maging transition natin sa ating lids. And I'm going to use the shade na medyo peachy or it depends kung ano shade ng peach ang gusto nyo. Pero don't worry, napaka-easy lang nito. Ayan. Kahit mga dalawang lagay lang or tatlo, pwede na yan. Caring-caring na yan, guys. So, I'm going to use an angled brush, guys. And maglalagay ako ng parang wing sa side ng aking eyes. Yan. Basta maglalagay ako ng wing using the eyeshadow na ginamit natin kanina. And, ayusin nyo na lang yung pagkaka-wing nyo. Kasi ako, hindi ako perfect mag-wing. Pero, let's try. I'm still trying and practicing. Practice makes it perfect. And may nabubulol na ako. Tapos, i-build up ulit natin yung eyeshadow, guys. Kasi medyo light siya. Going to add a shimmer naman dun sa aking lids using the Everbelena Iconic, yung Just Metals ata, yung pinaka-lightest shade no, na parang medyo orange-ish. Yun, ilalagay ko siya, gagawin ko din yung wing, kakopy ko yung wing na ginawa ko, i-cover ko lang, as well as ng shimmer na comes with it. Ayan, and then kakamayin ko na siya. Mas maganda kung ilalagay nyo is bare hands nyo, guys, or yung fingers nyo sa eyelids nyo pag ilalagay nyo na yung shimmer para talagang kapit na kapit yung shimmer. And I opt to put a brown eyeshadow sa aking lower eyelash line ba yun? Ano matawag doon? Kalimutan ko. So using the same bronzer that I've used from the Faux Freckles, I'm going to use the Benefit Hoola Bronzer. Kung ano merong bronzer or contour, guys, carry na yan. For our blush, I'm going to use the EV Advanced Face Trio Sunset. Ayan. Maganda to, guys, kasi magbumukha talagang maganda yung effect ng Drunken blush natin. Gently press lang. Sobrang light lang ng lagay nyo ng blush, guys, para hindi siya mukhang harsh sa face at mukhang hindi tayo sinapak sa mukha. So, para sa mga pangukatulad ko, guys, don't forget the nose line. It's a must. Ayan. Ayun naman natin magmukha tayong sinapak sa ilong, diba? Panguna nga, lalo pang magbumukhang pango. So, nose line na natin yan. Contour, yun na yan. So, for my highlighter, guys, I'm going to use the Careline by Blight highlighter, guys. I'm going to use the Careline by Blight and I'm going to use the Stardust na setting mist. At mas maganda kasi kung ilalagay nyo yung highlighter ng basa. As you all know, medyo powdery-ish tong palette na to. Kaya, mas maganda talaga. Medyo basa yung application niya. While for my lips, I'm going to use the Sanlo Lip Screen na sun case. At i-cover ko ko din siya mamaya. But, ito yung muna yung gagawin nating base. Pinaka-base sa ating lip. Product guys, I'm going to use the Sunny's Face Lip Tip, yung LYSM, and I'm going to put it on my center of the lips to make an ombre lip effect. Ayan. And next video is the final look.
Guys, this is where the video ends. This is the final look. At ayan, sana nagustuhan nyo tong makeup look ko na nagawa na to. At don't forget to like and subscribe on my YouTube channel, guys, if you haven't notified on my future. If you want to be notified on my future vlogs, guys, just click the bell button below, guys. Yun lang po. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time on my next vlog. Bye!
Missing someone